andava a lavorare a Mestre.
Ah,
A Mestre.
in treno?
In macchina.
Ah, in macchina, sì.
Come oggi in moto.
Marghera? Marghera o Mestre?
Marghera, dai, dei fratelli. Facevamo tutta storti, dal mare,
Sì, sì, sì,
casa, portava l'auto.
E quindi era un'ora di macchina tutti i giorni, sai?
No,
Di più?
partiva
Ah, sì, sì, beh, allora sì.
la mattina alle 6:30, 7, e la sera noi eravamo.
Però voi avete sempre preferito vivere qua, non
Sì,
spostarvi?
sì, no, non spostarsi. Perché abbiamo fatto già un lascio da fonderia di qua, perché fonderia si fonde.
The area surrounding the Anselmi foundry is heavily contaminated. Local residents are moving out, leaving behind an ageing population. House prices have plummeted, attracting unskilled immigrant workers looking for cheap accommodation. This area is suffering as the foundry has failed to bring the steel plant up to date with current environmental requirements. Can we imagine instead a different future for this area? Perhaps the foundry could be recycled to revitalise this part of Città d'Office. Our site is situated in Campo San Piero. It is located between the regional centres of Padua, Cittadella, Treviso and Mestre. Our site is located at the edge of the Centura, an ancient Roman system of land division. It is located in Campo San Piero, one of 11 municipalities in the area. Each municipality has its own industrial district. Since 2011, these separate municipalities have been working together in a confederation. They have chosen to direct all new industrial developments into 2 industrial districts. Our site is one of them. It is located to the south of the city of Campo San Piero and is well connected to regional roads. Let's take a closer look at the site. Traces of the past can be seen through the site's relationship to the Centura grid, the location of historical roads and canals. The site shows industrial areas with different qualities, the mix of small-scale enterprises and residential areas typical of Città d'Office, and the newly built monofunctional industrial parks. The foundry, on the other hand, is an abnormality in the area. Its large scale and the externalities it causes do not fit with the standard model of Città d'Office. Our vision is to better connect this site to public mobility and facilities, to reinforce the traces of the past, and to create a new centrality in the region, redefining the role of manufacturing in Città d'Office. In order to achieve this, we first create a civic axis. We reduce heavy traffic on the old road to Campo San Piero and introduce a bike path next to the canal. We provide better access to public transport by increasing the frequency of bus services and encourage commercial and residential functions along this road. We then define an ecological axis by creating a series of parks along the main canal. They can be used for water management by providing water storage in times of flood. These parks are linked by existing bike paths along the canals, creating a linear recreational area. Traces of the Roman Centura are then reinforced, with each axis taking a slightly different form. Those running east-west form a slow network connecting pedestrians and cyclists to the rest of the Centura. The north-south line of the canal is also reinforced with additional trees. The fragment of the Centura located in the industrial park becomes a new centrality for that area, providing facilities for those working on the site. Now that the site is well connected to the region, we redefine the role of the foundry. Steel production moves to another site and the process of decontamination begins. Green spaces are added and it is transformed into a new hub for innovation in manufacturing. It provides information and support services to manufacturers in the district and helps investigate the future role of manufacturing in the Veneto. Our vision for this area reinforces the ecological axis of the canal by providing new recreational parks that also deal with water management in the area. And finally, we create a new life cycle for the foundry, turning it from a problem area for pollution into the hub for the manufacturing industry in Città d'Afuso.